Okay. This is an oscilloscope. The oscilloscope is a laboratory instrument commonly used to display and analyze the waveform of electronic signals. In effect, the device draws the graph instantaneous signal voltage as a function of time.
So guys, this is the function generator and the oscilloscope. We're here now to teach you how to use a function generator and oscilloscope. First, we need two probes to connect these two so that we can show you how. These two. First, turn on the function generator and the oscilloscope. Connect the two probes in here, the output, the first one to the output. Yeah, there. And the other one, you can choose any channels because there are two channels here in the oscilloscope. Now, I'm gonna use channel 1.
So now we will connect these two probes from the function generator and the oscilloscope. Here and here. Okay. From this channel 1, we got so many buttons here from the left and channel 2 from the right and the buttons from the top. The boundaries of this channel 1 is all the buttons from this area here, and there, including the mode. And from the channel 2, all the buttons from the right here and from the top here is from the channel 2 buttons, including this mode.
So now I'm gonna show you how to use these two. Here is the voltage calibration. It calibrates the voltage on what you will use, so that you can display that here in the oscilloscope. I'm gonna use the full. This is the symmetry. This is symmetry to balance the wave that is displayed here. Frequency range. Frequency range is the range of the frequency that you want to use in this to display. I'm gonna use 100. This tree is the different kinds of waves, the square wave, the zigzag, and the wave. Amplifier, it amplifies on how many voltage you want to be displayed there. I'm gonna use 2 volts there, 2 volts.
So now we will explain these buttons right here in the oscilloscope. This is the control position, and this control here will help you in positioning from left to right the waves from the display here, like that. And this is a sweep variation. It can help you to manage the run of the waves, if you can do the fast or the slow waves here, like that. Let's go back to the room. This is a time per division. This helps you to let you know the right time per division of the waves in the display, in this display. So that.
And this is the mode. The mode has 2 different switches: the auto, the normal, the TVV, and the TVH. But for this tutorial, we will just use the auto because it's just basic. Here is the source. We use the channel 1, so we need to switch the channel 1. But there is also three other switches here in the source: the channel 2, the line, and the EXT. And now the bottom part. First is the voltage per division. it lets you control the voltage per division of the display. Like this 0.5, 0.2, 0.1, and 50, and etc. But from this tutorial, we will use the 0.2. Second is the position. It lets you control the position from up to down, so that you can control the position right. Here is the AC, the ground, and the DC. This lets you switch from the AC to ground, or ground to DC, or DC to AC. But from this tutorial, we will use the AC because it is the basic. Here is the mode. The mode has 4 switches: the channel 1, the channel 2, the dual, and the add. But from this, we use the channel 1, so we need to switch this to channel 1. And this part here is the channel 2. Channel 2 is just the same with the channel 1 because all the switches are the same and all the controls are the same. So I think that's it for the tutorial of the function generator and the oscilloscope. Thank you. In conclusion, for us, the function generator and the oscilloscope is hard because all we know is the basic parts, and there are many parts here that we don't know yet.
And so, all in all, in our presentation, we use this oscilloscope and the function generator to function well as it said, as what it is used for.